Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to erase data from an iPhone before selling or trading in. Congratulations for getting a new phone. As you come here, I guess your next step is to sell the old iPhone. Whether you intend to sell the previous iPhone, trade it in, pass it on or recycle the old device, it's a wise move to factory reset the iPhone before selling. If the old iPhone holds all your saved data like personal photos, account details, important contacts and messages, app login essentials and so on after selling, there will be a potential risk in your data security and privacy. Thankfully, doing a factory reset can remove any personal data and bring the phone back to the state it was in when you first took it out of the box. This makes sense to safeguard all your personal information and files and avoid unauthorized access. Is factory reset enough to sell an iPhone? To be honest, a factory reset is a good start to secure personal data and content before selling it to the new owner. As all your saved files are protected by file-based encryption in the user data partition, it's hard to be attacked or hacked deleted files after the reset. Though, doing a factory reset only is not enough to make it ready for a new owner. You're advised to take more action before you erase an iPhone prior to selling so as to wipe clean all sensitive files and avoid data leakage. Now, follow me to go through the basic things you should do before resetting the iPhone first. And then we'll show you how to factory reset iPhone for selling. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods to delete everything permanently on the iPhone step by step. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Basic things to do before factory resetting your iPhone and selling it. 1. Disconnect and forget the connected AirPods. 2. Unpair the connected Apple Watch from your iPhone. 3. Make an archive file of your whole iPhone. To back up your iPhone in iCloud, go to Settings, tap your device name, tap iCloud, choose iCloud Backup, and select Backup Now. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. To back up your iPhone in a computer, connect your device to the machine, open iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder, find and tap Summary, and click Backup Now in the Backups section. 4. Cancel the AppleCare subscription you've bought for the iPhone you'd like to trade in. 5. Log out of all the apps and services. 6. Remove all the email accounts in the Settings app. 7. Go to Settings app to sign out of iCloud and the iTunes and App Store. After completing all these steps, 50% of work to erase iPhone personal data and files before selling or giving away is complete. Then, just follow the methods below to fully reset iPhone. Erase everything from iPhone in Settings app. The most simple step to restore an iPhone to its original settings is to use the Reset feature in the Settings app. You just need to make a few taps and enter the passcode and password to ensure you're owner of the device. Then, the reset process to delete all personal data, apps, photos, and settings will start automatically in seconds. Here are the instructions to follow. Go to Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Enter the lock screen passcode when prompted. Sometimes it may also require you to enter the Apple ID password. Just do as required. Tap Continue. Then, decide whether you need to erase eSIM or keep it untouched. Here's a note. Your cellular plan will need to be reactivated if the eSIM is erased. Now, all that's left to do is to wait for the erase process to complete. Once done and everything on your iPhone has been cleared away, just continue your plan to sell it, trade it in or give it away. Restore an iPhone to its factory settings in a computer. An alternative way to reset an iPhone before selling is to apply a computer. You'll need to download a specific application on the machine to wipe clean your iPhone personal information. If you're using a Windows PC or a Mac with macOS 10.14 or older, download and install Apple Devices app or iTunes. If you're using a Mac with macOS 10.15 or newer, download and install Apple Devices app or Finder. Then, here's how to fully erase an iPhone before selling it using a computer. Open Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder tool. Here's a note. These applications won't run in a Chromebook. Alright now, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. After seeing your iPhone icon or your phone name showing in the sidebar, click it. Then, choose General. Find and click Restore iPhone. Choose Restore again to start the restore process. If it asks you to turn off or sign out Find My first before restoring, just go to Settings app to log out and then back to here to click the Restore option. Once done, wait for the program to delete all your saved content and settings and return the iPhone to the state it was in when first purchased. Remotely erase iPhone data before selling. This method is a little bit complicated, but if the iPhone you intend to sell, trade in or give away is frozen, unresponsive, or damaged, give this way a shot. It allows you to log in iCloud using a browser and click the erase option to factory reset your iPhone remotely through the internet without requiring you to do anything on the phone. Alright, here's how to wipe iPhone before selling it in iCloud. On any browser, head to iCloud.com. When asked, enter the Apple ID and password correctly to log in. Make sure to use the account that's same with the one you sign in the old iPhone. After it takes you to the iCloud homepage, find and click Find My icon. In the list of devices, find and choose the name of your iPhone you want to reset before selling. Then, select Erase this device. Select Erase again to start erase everything on the device. After around 5 minutes, the erase process will be done and your iPhone should boot up. Now, all your data and content is removed and your old iPhone is ready for a new owner. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help factory reset iPhone before selling it. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.